Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome into this Saturday edition of our quadruple header action. In the playing round, it's the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Unit Incorporated Panthers facing the number 7 seed that will look to secure a 4th seed. It's either secured or retained for the Annunciation Panthers versus the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate, the top 1 or the top seeded team in Division 2. Hi, my name is L.A. Lapid, and together with me is the one, the only Jasper Abante that will bring you the latest headlines here in the hardcourt.
Alright, L.A., a good morning indeed. Maganda yung panahon natin sa labas, kalmado yung panahon. And let's see kung makakasabay ba itong mga teams na ito sa panahon natin outside. And as we all know na itong ating Daraga National High School, the top 1 seed for the Division 2 will be battling against the top 4 seed of the Division 1. We have the Annunciation Panthers with 4 wins and 6 losses. Kaya abangan natin yung performances nila this morning, kung ano yung mga papatunayan nila, and syempre yung mga ipapakita nilang performances sa atin this morning.
It's actually the first time that the Bucal will be playing a unique format which now have a play-in round wherein the teams were divided into 2 divisions, and after rigorous games in Division 2, in the juniors basketball, 4 was eliminated and 2 was added into Division 1, being formalizing their bid into Division 1 versus also those Division 1 teams waiting for the challenge. And right now, it's the battle of the number 4 seed. So, kanina, it's secured or retained for both of these teams. Kahapon, nagbakbakan na din yung Genesis Roaring Lions and the ACC Green Serpents. ACC Green Serpents solidifying their number 3 seed, and the USI Falcons now on top, number 5, and number 6 is the ACC Green Serpents. Now, let's check our sideline reporter from the bench of the Annunciation Panthers. Let's call in Rain. Rain, take it away.
Good morning, LA and Jasper, and hello, Bicolanja. We are live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. From the bench of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon, I am Rain Reyes, and I am your courtside resident this season. As I was able to look closely, makikita nga nadala ng Panthers ang pusong Panthers sa paglaro nila ngayon. Now, talagang kailangan nila ito because they are up against the Division 1 first placer. Now, this is the battle for the 4th spot. Just like any other team, handa na silang dalhin ang group to the top with strategic planning and of their defense and offense plays. Now, yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, grabe. Bukang grabe talaga, LA, yung preparation nila for this game para makuha yung 4th spot dito sa ating play-in round. And syempre, yung mga natunghayan nating battles kahapon, let's hear an update on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Maui to give us an update. Alright, so Maui, take it away.
Good day, basketball fans from all around the Bicolanja. It's a gloomy Saturday morning here at the Ateneo Gymnasium. Nonetheless, we are still here to give you the hottest actions, only here from Bucal Season 6. I am Maui Balane, and I am thrilled to be your courtside reporter for this game, giving you the latest updates from the courtside of Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. After showcasing a stellar performance from the elimination round, being the top-seeded team in Division 2, they are now set to rule the hardcourt in the round, aiming to steal or snatch the 4th spot. According to Coach Lito Orbase, that they don't have an ample amount of time to prepare for this game. However, it's their trust with God that will help them surmount this battle. It's Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate versus Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. The hardcourt is set. The teams are ready, and we're all waiting, or we're all in for an electrifying showdown. Let the game begin. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Maui, on that update. And right now, ball is up, and we have an early possession of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Now, the Daraga National High School, hindi din to birong team na ito eh. surpassed many challenges from Division 2 and ending up in a good standing. Pero ngayon, kung makakapunta sila sa mas malaking standing, yung top 4 seed, syempre may magiging big advantage din yun sa kanila kasi pwedeng makapagpahinga sila ng kaunti kasi magiging waiting sila. And dun sa quarterfinals, makikita, baka kilala din nila kung sino yung kanilang mga katapat. And ito naman, Annunciation Panthers, it's a first round jitters for them but bounced back in the second round of action with winning 3 games. And that's an early 3-pointer by Robert Bayani.
Grabe, napakaaga naman ng tres coming from Robert Bayani of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. And now,
Especially it's the first time that Daraga National High School and Annunciation Panthers are facing here in the play-in round.
now it's time for the Annunciation Panthers. Now gonna that 3 points attempt but an early whistle naman dito, LA on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate after that pushing foul committed by jersey number 5 Miranda. Ayan na, maagang ano dito, LA, maagang free throw on the side of the Panthers. Now gonna that first attempt by Hermedia. And that's good for his second attempt. Now, De Guzman has it to Garnase. De Guzman on the outside with Robert Bayani once again for 3. Almost a 3 but no good on that attempt.
Daraga National High School attacking early from the 3-point line as the defense of the Annunciation Panthers right now inside the perimeter. So that will be the key for Daraga National High School if they want to have that good points, especially go large in this matchup. And De Guzman picks it up from the long pass coming from Garnase. Back into the corner.
De Guzman getting that 3.
Nothing but the net for Mark De Guzman, the team captain.
Now it's time for the Panthers para bumawi dito. Let's see. Maru has it to jersey number 81. Maru! No good on that 3-pointer but a pull-up jumper. No good. Now De Guzman for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate hands it to Garnase. Now, the sweet spot of Bayani, nandun si De Guzman ngayon. Bayani hands it to Miranda, but a block coming from jersey number 81, Dumasian.
Oh, nasana yung underneath pass, but Dumasian was waiting and anticipating to get that block, and Dumasian will now fire a 3. Hits the rim, but it goes out. De Guzman momentarily losing that ball. Double teamed. Here comes number 11 of the Daraga National High School.
And out of bounds as the Daraga National High School will take that same ball possession.
Ball slips away from the hands of Lustea, but still they have 11 on the 24 to make a shot.
Medyo hindi pa natin LA nakikita yung play nila dito sa ating first quarter. Pero lamang dito ng 5 puntos ang ating Daraga National High School. Let's see. Grabe. Easy pull-up jumper naman yon from jersey number 10.
Nico Hachazo of the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, defenders, Bayani on the inside. To Miranda, pull-up jumper. No good. And offensive rebound here by Robert Bayani.
Tinakbo niya pa talaga galing doon sa paint to get that offensive rebound and hands it to Miranda for a teardrop shot.
Grabe. Gandang assist nun, LA. He makes sure that they will convert a point. Kaya naman pinasa niya yun kay Miranda. Getting that free open shot. And a whistle coming from our officials. Jersey number 27 of the Annunciation Defenders rather. That is Garnase. Natawagan doon ng pushing foul. Now, Maru Dumasian. Now to jersey number 4. No good on that pull-up jumper. Now Robert Bayani nagmamadali.
Hands it to Lustria.
Easy
Bounces.
basket.
And it's a large lead right now for the Daraga National High School. Peter Maro fires a three-pointer in and out. Domasian gets that rebound. And Rudy Escalona from 15-footer, no good. Diaz. And a whistle for a hacking foul for Lustria.
Well, LA, parehas palang malayo yung pinanggalingan nitong dalawang teams natin this morning, no? The Daraga National High School Defenders all the way from Daraga Albay, and ito namang ating Annunciation Panthers all the way from Bacon, Sorsogon. Grabe.
Well, rich basketball talents from Daraga and Tabaco. And for also Daraga for Annunciation Panthers from Bacon, Sorsogon, which grow many talents such as the former players of the Annunciation Panthers, such as Mark Lester Matos, Joven Salvacion, especially the MVP Fajardo, and also the coach of the Annunciation Panthers, once a former player, Coach Evan De La Cruz, who played in the Season 3 against the NCF Tigers. They made it to the finals but fell short. And that solidifies the three-peat and now the four-peat of the NCF Tigers. But it was an upset for the Annunciation Panthers as they won their first ever championship here in Bucal. And their counterparts, the juniors basketball, are the second runner-up, defeating ACLC in the Season 5 Bucal.
And now De Guzman for a second attempt. And that's good. Malaki na yung hawak na kalamangan dito nila sa ating pagsisimula ng first quarter. It's 6 points as we are on the midway. 6th minute mark rather. Now, jersey number 18 stops and pops for 3 but no good on that attempt.
Diaz grabs the board. Hachazo for a 3. It's good. Bringing down the lead just to 3 points for the defenders of Fate.
Now, Bayani once again on his sweet spot. Hands it to Miranda. Now, a steal coming from Hachazo.
Already a good shot for Miranda there, but
A long pass.
ended up making a full court shot.
Muntik na yun, LA. Almost a full court shot. Now, Bayani, a wrong pass here by Bayani. Now, Hachazo once again stops for pull-up jumper, and that's good for 2 points.
The lead is now down to 1 point for the Daraga National High School.
Now, let's see kung anong bawi naman yung gagawin nitong ating Daraga National High School. Ang bilis na erase nung malaking kalamangan nila doon. Now, Lostria, hands it to Garnase. Now, De Guzman to Miranda on the inside. No good. Pero almost a steal. But here comes Garnase. And ayun na nga, nakuha na dito yung bola ni jersey number 17. Nagmamadali to Diaz.
But it was a traveling violation. And traveling is more fun with
Naga yon, Travel and Tours.
Siyempre, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, Sportswear Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Fighting Range, and Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Gravenus Communications Incorporated. Right now on the attack from the baseline.
Ayan, another free throws for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And it's 3 minutes and 58 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
And both of these teams have been firing bombs from the early point of the first quarter. And Bayani gets that second free throw and a timeout by the Annunciation Panthers. 2-point lead of the Daraga National High School up against the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. We'll be right back for a short commercial break.
And we're back after the short break. We are about to continue the 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining ng ating first quarter with 2 points lead of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Aden. A 3 points play opportunity for these of the Annunciation Panthers. A chance here na makalamang sila ngayon ng isang puntos.
DS is now looking to erase that lead of the Daraga National High School and take their first lead in this ball game, and just like that, 1 point lead up for the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, ball possession of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Aden. Jersey number 21 Fajardo is in for the defenders, and now Garnase ngayon magtatapid ng bola to Bayani on his sweet spot, and out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. Now, jersey number 18, Destura.
Almost
Fakes
thinking
for
of a 3.
And ngayon, diniretso na yung 3, pero no good on that attempt, but an offensive rebound coming from jersey number 24, Hachazo once again
Same
on
spot,
that 3.
same result. And that forces the timeout for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Let's get a good look at it from the same angle. There you
Grabe,
go.
napakalinis LA, nothing but the net.
Sino nagsabi niyan? Well, last time, it was nothing but the basket, but right now, that crispy sound, that crisp sound of the net, it just feels an ASMR for basketball enthusiasts, especially when shooting a 3 and hitting the net. So that puts an extension on the lead of the Annunciation Panthers, and the Daraga National High School trailing here with just 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
And we'll see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito. And of course, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. We also have Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge, FiberX by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. And of course, we also have the Bucal sponsors, Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo and Sounds Trading, and the Swiss Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po. Now, let's go back to the ball game. Jersey number 20, Hazito de Guzman fires for 3, and that's good.
Just like that, we are in a 1 point lead once again for the Annunciation Panthers. Esquilona to Hachazo on the corner. Esquilona open for a pull-up jumper.
Now, Bayani, libreng-libre dito. Bayani lumilipad. Easy layup from
Erasing
Bayani. Well, kilala naman talaga natin itong Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Yun yung mga magagandang atake nila. Yung mga fast breaks nila, no? With that layup, napaka-effective nung layup nitong dalawang to. Bayani and De Guzman. Well, let's see this time kasi medyo limited lang yung kanilang fast break opportunities dito. Now, De Guzman to Garnase.
Underneath pass, but Hachazo picks it up. And a traveling violation. Now Manlapas checking in for the Annunciation Panthers, especially also Peter Maro, the best player of the game from their last encounter against the UNC Greyhounds, to finish the elimination round in a good spot. Robert Bayani in the inside to De Guzman. Robert Bayani again picks it up, attacking the paint. No good.
Almost a layup from Bayani, but now Balaoro has it to Peter Maru. Now is Colonna.
Here comes
No
Bayani
good.
to attack. Bayani cleans it up.
Grabe, napaka-effective talaga LA no, nung kanilang layup dito. Especially Robert Bayani putting up back-to-back points. Now go to that 3 points attempt by Maru. And the same ball possession here for the Annunciation Panthers. Now De La Rosa will be checking in for the Panthers in exchange of jersey number 24, Diaz. Now Balaoro to inbound. Stops for 3 and that's good. Grabe, napakagandang plano LA. After that inbound, balik mo sa akin yung bola. Ako na bahala for 3. And now, we're deadlocked by 19 points.
Especially they are more capable right now of shooting it from the outside rather than bringing down the ball into the inside. And out of bounds for the Annunciation Panthers. We are deadlocked at 19 apiece in the 33 seconds of the first quarter. Bayani once again attacking. De La Rosa picks it up.
Now, Balaoro hands it to jersey number 16. Nagmamadali dito. Balaoro once again, double team Balaoro. Now on the corner, almost a pass but out of bounds as the Daraga National High School will take that ball possession.
Bayani and Orde Guzman and Garnase guarding Nachi Balaoro, being alert because Balaoro has been fighting it from the 3 and it's above the rim or the backboard. No good. With 1 second.
That's the end of our first quarter with the same points na LA deadlock at 19 points. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second quarter. Bakbakan ng Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate and of course ang ating Annunciation Panthers battling for the 4th seed dito sa ating play-in round. Now, napakaagang fadeaway shot by jersey number 4 is Kilona. Now, Daraga National High School, Bayani hands it to De Guzman. Now Bayani on his sweet spot na naman.
Passes it to the wrong man. Balaoro on the run, on the rush with a layup. It goes in.
Now, Bayani for the defenders. De Guzman nagmamadali dito. Overshoot and a defensive rebound coming from jersey number 30. Now, Isquilona once again. Jersey number 16 for 3.
Whoa.
And nothing but the net. Grabe, napakalinis magtrabaho.
Extending it
Itong
big.
ating Panthers, and a big points na talaga yung lamang nila dito. 7 points LA.
Manlapas extending it big for the Annunciation Panthers. Putting up pressure for the Daraga National High School, and just like that, Canyon doing it with a two hands layup. Maru. Right now in the corner is Balaoro attacking, overshooting it, but Escalona picks it up, no good.
Now, defenders of fate, Garnase to Fajardo. Pull-up jumper, no good. Pero hindi dyan pumayag si De Guzman na hindi sila doon makaka-convert ng points. Kaya naman 2 points for the defenders of fate after that assist by Fajardo to De Guzman. Now,
Escalona missing it, and Daraga National School on the attack. Here comes Robert Bayani. Triple team by Maro. And a new 4 for the Daraga for the Annunciation Panthers. And let's have a quick chit chat with the sideline reporter of the Daraga National School. Here comes Maui. Maui, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and LA. They may not have the huge amount of fans cheering them here. Still, the defenders of faith gives their all, carrying their unyielding courage in the hard court. From the huddle, Coach Arnell reminded his team about the missing pieces that are lacking with the team. They are now focused with the team's defense and the three-point shooting to make it out alive in this game. That is all for the side of the defenders of faith. Back to the panel.
thank you so much, Maui, for that quick update on the side of Daraga National High School defenders of fate. And while Maui is reporting LA, grabe,
Maru is
Peter
also-
Maru, parang gusto niya rin mag-report LA na nakakuha siya doon ng 3 points, and grabe, napakalinis pa rin LA. No mga tres nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. And speaking of the Annunciation Panthers, nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain to give us an update. Alright, so Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Jasper and LA. During huddle, Coach Van told the team that communication is important when playing. Be mindful in your transitions and implement the right defense when needed. With these reminders, they were able to take the lead against the defenders of faith. But with a strong opponent, the quarter ended with a tie. Bago nga magsimula ang second quarter, they were told to relax and focus on the game. Yan muna ang update on this side. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And let's see kung paano sila magpo-focus dito sa ating second quarter and of course sa remaining quarter since they are advised to. And kung paano nila paiigtingin yung kanilang communication inside the hard court. And of course, higpitan nga yung kanilang depensa dahil hindi rin talaga basta-basta itong kalaban nila ngayon for the 4th seed sa ating play-in round.
Especially transitioning from offense to defense. The Annunciation Panthers needs to have a look at that. Screen by Diaz. And Destura will fire a three-pointer. No good. Dumasian gets that board. And Diaz once again. Basket plus a foul.
Let's take a look at it once again, LA. Jersey number 24. Nasabayan siya doon nitong si jersey number 20 of the
Canyon.
defenders of faith. And now, jersey number 24, Diaz, will be getting that 2 free throws. Kaya naman, quick shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live via Oragon Sports TV. We have here Raymart Alminye Rizelia Dumalayas, Sam Rocco, Yuki, John Bueno, and Afidel Lorete. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
De Guzman firing a 3-pointer for the Daraga National High School.
Magandang bawi LA on the side of the Daraga National High School defenders of 8 now. Peter Maru going to the inside, but
A
a
save.
save.
Oh,
by
scrambling
Gandhi.
for that loose ball, and
The same ball for the Annunciation Panthers.
or it's a possession arrow pointing
Position arrow pointing.
for the Daraga National High School. It's 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter, and good offense being shown by both of these teams. Bayani firing from top of the key.
Now, De La Rosa hands it to jersey number 18. Nagmamadali and out of bounds as the Daraga National High School defenders of fate
The bounce
will
pass
take that ball possession.
goes between the legs of Peter Maru. So almost getting a shot from the inside.
Now Magallones to Miranda on the outside. Nahihirapang pumasok dito on the side of the defenders. Now Bayani makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws. Jersey number 11, Lustria rather.
And officiating this match is Edmond Faraon, Ronnie Malinisa, and Bonanong Chumacera Jr. from the SBP Naga City Elite referees. And a second free throw for Lustria.
And no good on that. 2 free throws by Lustria. A missed opportunity for the Daraga National High School defenders. And ngayon, 6 points po ang kalamangan na hawak ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, jersey number 28, Maro, stops and pops for 3. No good. And a save. And the same ball. And saktong-sakto as the shot clock expires. Nakuha pa nila doon yung 2 points. Now, De Guzman, maraming bantay.
Almost all or
Grabe,
5 players are
lahat.
actually guarding
Grabe,
De
lahat
Guzman.
nakabantay kay De Guzman. Ayaw talaga nilang
lahat
makapuntos.
nakababay.
Grabe. And out of bounds as the symbol possession pa rin for the defenders of faith. Now, Garnase to inbound. Bayani rather. For that baseline inbound. Now, Garnase. Well guarded Garnase. Grabe yung depensa LA. As we can see, Magallones is having that free shot but no good on that 3 points attempt. But Garnase, Bayani rather.
Bayani using his 2 hands to finish that play, and the scoring for the defenders of Faith.
Well, ang bibilis kasi nila LA.
Oh,
Last tingin ko si Garnase nito, pero yung nandun na pala is Bayani.
it's a
And,
traveling.
a traveling violation committed by jersey number 10 of the Panthers, Hatchazo. And syempre, LA traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, Garnase for the defenders.
From the corner, a 3-pointer hits the rim. Here's James Destura. A pick by Diaz. Destura still has it. Pass it to number 10, Hachazo. Now Destura, a 3-pointer. Bayani picks up the board. Bayani. Garnase, now a triple.
And out of bounds as disabled possession for the Annunciation Panthers, and napatawag na nga dyan ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers. We'll see kung ano yung adjustments nila dito sa natitirang 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining ng ating second quarter. And syempre, pasalamatan muna natin nila yung ating mga sponsors. We have here the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. Also, the Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa Bucal.
They're playing horns and Hachazo. Or Destura handing it to Hachazo, and Diaz now on the outside. Here comes Destura to fire again a 3-pointer. He was fouled by Robert Bayani. So Destura on the line to shoot 3.
Now,
Doesn't get that first attempt, or rather getting it. It's a 35. Now we're gone to 36. Once again, we'll be extending that lead. Will he extend that lead to 7 points? Or rather to 8 points. Medyo mali na yung ating mga calculation sa mathematics. Baka mapagalitan tayo ng mga nanonood na physics teacher who also loves to watch basketball games. And there's a pushing foul for Rudy Esquilona.
and that's good for that first attempt by Lostria on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Fate, 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining for our first half. Mapadalan mo ng highlights bago mag-commercial break. Okay, ma'am. Ayun at natawagan dito ng double foul. Now, Annunciation Panthers, jersey number 81. On the outside, well guarded here by Robert Bayani. Now, grabe yung banggaan nila dun, LA sa ere, no?
Taking that bump in order to go into the free throw line.
Ayun na, tawagan dito ng foul. Si Lustria makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws. Itong si Esquilona of the Annunciation Panthers. A chance for them to extend their lead to 8 points. Let's see. And that's good for that first attempt by Esquilona.
Bayani attacking, blocked by Escalona. Fighting for that basketball. Here's Adrian Diaz. Hands it to Domasian. The traveling violation is called, and traveling is more fun with Naga on traveling tours. And timeout called by the Naga National High School Defenders of Fate.
Ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nakatutok sa ating YouTube live. Ayan, shoutout tayo dito kay Nick, Grace Santos, Margie Macapinig, Paulina Canteras at kay Zaida Cabalquinto. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat via our YouTube live. Siyempre via One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV.
Kaya sa mga di pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na kayo and also get to watch News Break from Mondays to Fridays. Nakasama nyo dyan si Sir Mark Mendoza and Miss A. Antoinette Eduardo to bring you the updates from in and out of Bicol region. And also the latest results and updates for Bucal Season 6, both the juniors and seniors basketball. And also to our media partner, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, headed by Sir J.M. Jacob, Engineer R.J. Repedorial, Technical Director. We have the Production Administrator, Miss Irene Tosok. Sir Kim Monteroso and Brian Tosok, Marniela Berido, James Gabarda, Janjan Basales, and Jameson Brenya.
Maraming salamat po. Yan si Mama Irene, napakaganda niyang ating production administrator. Now back to the ball game. Now gonna that pull-up jumper by jersey number 20.
And Bayani cleans it up. We're down into the last 30 seconds in the second quarter.
Now jersey number 18, Destura. Hands it to Esquilona. Back to Destura on the outside with 8 seconds to shoot. Now jersey number 10, no good. And jersey number 81, Domasian. Hindi naman talaga papayag na hindi sila doon makakonvert ng points. Now last 8 seconds for our first half.
From top of the key.
Almost getting that 3. Now 1 second. And almost a buzzer beater shot sana, pero a missed opportunity for the Annunciation Panthers. And now, bago tayo magtapos for our first half, before we proceed to the commercial breaks, let's take a look muna, LA, dun sa mga highlights natin for the first half.
That highlight reel for the Daraga National High School, from that early 3-pointers, from that long bombs from both of these teams. And there's a teardrop shot coming from that assist, or that's the HJP Poncha play of the game. Sandigan, sa oras ng kagapitan, Sandigan ang kailangan. Also,
and let's take a look this time, LA, hatid sa atin ng Converge ICT Solutions. Napakalinis na basket kanina coming from jersey number 18. And now Hatshazo naman ngayon for that pull-up jumper. Walang alinlangan. Natid naman sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel.
Well, this plays have put a lot of pressure for both of these teams, especially malakas din yung pares na teams na ito. It is actually the first time that they'll be facing. And Robert Bayani, that maabilidad play is brought to us by 3GX ICT Solutions. And then extra energy check once again for Robert Bayani from Pocari Sweat.
Now, dito naman tayo kay jersey number 30 with that napakalinis na 3 points atid sa atin yan ng Naga College Foundation. And this time,
almost going from the same spot, getting the same result for the Annunciation Panthers. So that brings them into a large lead into the second quarter, facing the Daraga National High School. And especially, it's the first time that we see the Daraga National High School trailing this big against an opponent like the Annunciation Panthers in Division 1. And that's the end of our highlight reel, and we'll be heading into our commercial break for the third quarter of action, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity.
And now we're back for the third quarter of action. Dito lamang yan sa Bucal Season 6. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and L.A. Lapid, dito sa ating third quarter now.
An early rejection by the Naga National High School in that play.
Now the Guzman
Attacking. Up and under shot, no good.
missed opportunity agad on the side of the Naga National High School defenders of faith. Now, out of bounds as the same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the Annunciation Panthers. And an early substitution here. Maro checked in change of jersey number 81, Dumasian.
Well, up next also their counterparts, the counterparts of the Annunciation Panthers. Number 3 seed of the seniors division will look to battle it out versus the number 8 seed division, the newcomers, the STI Olympians. 12 noon will be the start of the tip-off in their matchup. Nacho Balaoro grabs that board. James Destura rushing, but a pass now into the corner. No good on that 3. Oh, a pass. Nobody hold.
And an early substitution din tayo on the side of the Naga National High School. Defenders of Faith Miranda is in change of jersey number 19, Bitago. Now, De Guzman, well guarded De Guzman. And a steal coming from jersey number 17, but a wrong pass. And ayun na nga, back-to-back steal nga yung natunghayan natin doon. Now, Bayani, almost a layup. Grabe, back-to-back missed opportunities on the side of the defenders.
2 minutes have surpassed here in the third quarter. Both teams not getting a score. And let's have a quick update with Rain Reyes of the Annunciation Panthers. Rain, what's your update?
Hello, Jasper and LA. When the second quarter started, the Panthers came in strong and showed their opponent that they are indeed playing to win. Still with this, Coach Van told them to be smart and fix their positions when playing, avoid fouls, and know when to screen. During huddle, the Panthers were told to have a proper defense and work as a team inside the hard court. Kailangan natin magtulong-tulungan para manalo, dagdag pa ni Coach Van. With the third quarter starting, they aim to stay in the lead up to the last minute of this game. Now, abangan natin kung paano gagawin ng Panthers yan. That's it for now. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and LA.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And ayun na nga, abangan natin kung paano sila maglalaro and paano sila mag-work dito as a team to maintain their lead. And syempre, para ipagpatuloy yung kanilang momentum dito sa ating third quarter. And on the other hand, we have our courtside reporter on the side of the Naga National High School Defenders of Faith. Maui, take it away.
LA and Jasper, what an arduous situation here from the side of the defenders of faith, as the key players seem to have a hard time executing their game plan. During the huddle, Coach Arnel told his team that the importance about the team's effort to turn each ball into a point. They also added that they don't need to make it hard by dribbling the ball in a long time, as this gives their opponent the opportunity to steal the ball. The teams are now aiming to reverse the situation. Can they start a momentum here in the second half? That is all for the side of the defenders of Fate. Back to you, Jasper and LA.
Thank you so much, Maui, on that update from the side naman of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. And in-emphasize doon ni Coach
Arnel.
of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate yung importance nung team effort nila para makapag-convert ng points. So let's see the same advice yung narinig natin from both teams na paigtingin yung kanilang team play, yung team effort, kung paano sila mag-work as a team dito sa ating hardcourt. And as we can see, Destura is standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws, and his first attempt was not good. So let's take a look at his second attempt. And that's good for that second attempt by Destura on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Patuloy po silang lumalamang dito. And no good on that attempt by Garnase. Now,
There's a deflection by De Guzman, but it goes out of bounds with 18 on the 24 still left on the shot clock of the Annunciation Panthers.
6 minutes and 24 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. And maulan LA sa labas ng ating
It's a gloomy
Ateneo de
Saturday.
Naga University Gymnasium. Kaya naman, happy viewing sa lahat ng nakatutok sa atin, yung mga team bahay natin dyan, na mga nanonood via Oragon Sports TV, Facebook Live, and also on YouTube.
Unaware of that shot clock, as the last fadeaway jumper, the shot clock expired. And they will be turning it over to the Daraga National High School. And Dieter Garnase with a 3-2 zone defense by the Annunciation Panthers, switching to 2-1-2. Mark De Guzman almost firing a 3. Oh, a steal coming from James Destura, handing it to Peter Maru. In and out, and once again a steal by Destura, snatching it from the hands of Robert Bayani.
And a couple of substitutions here on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate, as the same ball possession pa rin tayo for the Panthers. Now, Gobis adds it to jersey number 18, Destura. Grabe, ang dami niya dong bantay.
Almost all of those guards of James Destura was actually a big man of the Daraga National High School. And to talk things out here, timeout, Daraga National High School with 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining.
Ayan, at syempre LA, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bicol, and of course, special thanks to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC Digital Graphics. And of course, Ellie, hindi natin pwedeng makalimutan, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Revenues Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
The winners of, or the champions of Bucal Season 6 Juniors Basketball will be heading into the NBTC Road to Madness in MOA in the Mall of Asia Arena, and will be looking to face those global hoopsters or youngsters that are rich in talent in basketball from inside the Philippines and outside the Philippines. And this season, or the Bucal Season 6, is the local qualifying tournament for the National Basketball Training Center.
Ayun, natawagan doon ng pushing foul itong si Pedrezuela, sending Destura on the free throw line for his 2 free throws, but no good on his first attempt. Now we are on the midway of our third quarter with 7 points lead of the Annunciation Panthers.
Missing both free throws for the Annunciation Panthers. And here comes Dieter. Hands it to Mark de Guzman. Into the inside from the paint, attacking, rushing, a 3-point play opportunity for Drex Fajardo.
Grabe. Sabi nga nun LA, nung mga previous barker natin, no, basket, sabayan pa yan ng foul. Kaya,
sabi yan ni... Sinong sabi? Si Ref Jomar, also from the SBP, Naga City Elite Referees. Also one of the most exciting referees, especially when calling a traveling violation. Almost doing a freestyle or I don't know what kind of swim is that, and calling a traveling violation, and also the crowd going sumasabay din yung crowd kapag tumatawag si Ref Jomar ng traveling violation.
Grabe. Nakasama namin yun si Coach Jomar kahapon sa laban ng ACC Green Serpents and the USI Falcons.
And Hachazo, a 3-pointer. It's good. 7-point lead for the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, jersey number 18, Destura. No good on that pull-up jumper by jersey number 4. Pero hindi pumayag dyan si Hachazo na hindi sila dyan makaka-convert ng points. And that's good for that 2-point shot by Hachazo. Now, no good on that attempt by Miranda. And turnover here on the side of the Panthers. And grabe, back-to-back free throws for the Annunciation Panthers. Grabe. Destura on the free throw line. Medyo nahihirapan ditong pumuntos itong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Well, dahil na rin yan sa magandang defense ang ipinapakita ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
Well, the last time na nakuha ng Daraga National High School yung lead was just in the first quarter, but right now, to the second and third quarters going good for the Annunciation Panthers. Mark de Guzman goes into the side to Fajardo with a teardrop shot, a save. Fajardo from the third time for the fourth, and that's a save by the Annunciation Panthers.
Medyo super nahihirapan sila dito on the side of the Defenders of Faith. Well,
getting 4 offensive rebounds on that motion.
Now, let's take a look this time kung ano naman yung gagawin nila ngayon. Now, Bayani on the outside, looking for his teammates. And a whistle coming from Ref Bunanong. Natawagan dito ng blocking foul itong si jersey number 4 of the Annunciation Panthers, that is Esquilona. Well, kailangan din mag-ingat itong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith pagdating sa kanilang fouls. Dahil kanina pa silang nasa penalty situation. Now, De Guzman hands it to Garnase. Now, Bayani on the corner, and
another foul.
Another foul here called to jersey number 28 of the Annunciation Panthers. That is Peter Maru. And warning for penalty situation na din itong ating Annunciation Panthers.
A 10-point lead. Now a double-digit lead for the Annunciation Panthers.
And Jamoragan is in.
Now a three-pointer for Robert Bayani.
Hamoragan is in for the Annunciation Panthers. Well, parang ngayon lang pumasok itong si Hamoragan.
And that will be the battle of the loose ball is broken.
A held ball situation doon, but the same ball possession tayo dito on the side of the Defenders of Faith.
We just have 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter, with the last stages is just coming up in the fourth quarter. A long pass to Bayani, corner to corner, a three-pointer, no good. De La Rosa loses it, and Bayani saves it, a three-pointer to clean up, no good. A save, De La Rosa has it. Hachazo, Domasian, a steal from behind by Robert Bayani.
Grabe, ang bilis doon ni Robert Bayani.
They now have 2 seconds to inbound that ball. And that will be a pressure, and just in time. But a tip by Garnase, fighting for that loose ball again.
Now, jersey number 19 managed to get that ball. Bitago. Now to the Guzman.
What a play for the Guzman.
Grabe. Double team the Guzman, insisting to get that 2 points. And no hesitation. Ngayon, mahigpit na yung opensa and depensa nitong ating Daraga National High School. Very eager to get and to retrieve that lead of the Panthers. And
Escalona gets a save, but nobody hold on that pass, as Hamoragan was actually attempting to get it. But Garnase hardly guarding him.
now, ball possession of the Defenders of Faith.
We're on a 5-point lead, with Daraga National School has a 45 points and 50 for the Annunciation Panthers, with 52 seconds ticking on that game clock. De Guzman fires a triple, misses it, but a save by Robert Bayani
Once
from
again,
the corner.
and that's good! Sabi ni Bayani, kung hindi para sa'yo, maybe para sa akin yan. And
Oo naman.
Bayani getting that triple on the corner, and that forces the Annunciation Panthers to call a timeout. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito, dahil napansin naman natin LA na yung game plan nila kanina sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter is very effective. They froze the score of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Pinigilan nilang makapuntos, and masyadong hindi naman sila nahihirapan doon sa depensang ipinakita ng ating Defenders of Faith. But this time, medyo bumabaliktad na LA yung sitwasyon. Yung Annunciation Panthers naman ngayon, yung nahihirapan na makapuntos kontra dito sa ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And with that, ang bilis nilang na-erase yung kalamangan na nagawa ng ating Panthers, and now we're just down to 2 points.
Especially the Daraga National High School is looking to topple down the Panthers to steal the number 4 seed away from the Annunciation Panthers. If the Annunciation Panthers loses it, they'll be in the number 7 seed and will be facing the number 2 seed, which is the ACLC Hawks. So that is a hard match also for kung sino yung matatalo dito sa ball game, kasi yung ACLC, they're just waiting for their opponents because they are in the top 1 and top 2 seed. That's a privilege for those teams who are in the top 2 spots to wait on who will be their opponents in this battle for 4th seed.
And now a coach's challenge has been called by Coach Arnel of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, dahil dun sa ball possession And our officials called that the ball possession will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Pero let's see, dahil mukhang hindi na natuloy yung coaches challenge dito ni Coach Arnel of...
Usually kasi, yung coaches challenge na gamit yan during the last 2 minutes of this game. But now, in traveling violation coming from Hamuragan of the Annunciation Panthers with 23 seconds remaining and the shot clock is off.
Now, Garnase, after that inbound by Fajardo. Now to the Guzman. Back to Garnase. Now Robert Bayani fires for 3. No good on that attempt by Bayani. Now Hamuragan.
Still that lead is into the hands of the
And
Annunciation Panthers.
another traveling violation. Grabe, a very crucial error, LA, on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Especially we're just in the third quarter of action and a 3-pointer by Mark de Guzman. 2 seconds. 1. Dumasian. And that is the end of the third quarter with a 2-point lead up is the Annunciation Panthers. We'll be right back for the fourth and final quarter of action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are still live in the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our fourth and final quarter with the battle of fourth seed continuing. Will the Annunciation Panthers retain the fourth spot or will there be a new number 4 seed for the juniors basketball? Gobis, top of the key, 3, missing it. Bayani grabs that pass. And we are tied here after that pull-up jumper by Mark de Guzman.
And now, a whistle coming from our officials. Natawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 23 of jersey number 28 rather, Robert Bayani of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now, Annunciation Panthers on the offense. Maru looking for a good opportunity here. One-on-one by Robert Bayani. And Peter Maru without hesitation getting that 2 points. And 2 points na po ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers after that deadlock. Now Garnase has it to the Guzman. Now jersey number 21 Fajardo underneath the basket and medyo mainit yung tension doon sa ilalim, LA. Grabe.
And now someone was slapped with a T. Technical foul. And ordinary foul on the Annunciation Panthers. for number 17, Ryan Gobis. And
ayan, at double technical foul nga LA yung
Oo.
naitawag dito
after that
kay
ordinary foul.
jersey number 17 of the Annunciation Panthers and kay jersey number 21 of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith Fajardo after the tension under the basket. And let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Maui on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Maui, anong update natin dyan?
LA and Jasper, we are now at the final stretch of this game as the quest for the fourth spot continues. The defenders of Faith tries to look for ways that will lead them in their goal. With Yani and De Guzman making exceptional effort team in this game. Will the defenders of snatch the fourth spot? Only on Bucal Season 6. This has been Maui Balani reporting from the side of the Naga National High School Defenders of Faith. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Maui, on that update from the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And as we can see, a back-to-back opportunities on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith.
And let's have a quick update from the bench of the Annunciation Panthers. Let's call in Rain Reyes. Rain, what is your update?
Hello, Jasper and LA. Indeed, an intense matchup as both teams are eager to score. But of course, as for the Panthers, they are working on ways to improve by implementing the right strategies both when attacking and defending. Communicate at isipin ang pinaghirapan ng team. Don't let it go to waste. As the quarter ended, the Panthers were able to have a close gap lead. This is the fourth and final quarter. Abangan natin kung ano ang mangyayari sa larong ito. This has been Rain Reyes, the courtside resident of the Panthers. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And grabe na yung init nitong dalawang koponan na ito. Well, Rain is reporting 3 coming from the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And now a change of favor na tayo, 3 puntos na po na kalamangan ang kanilang hawak. And a whistle, turnover tayo dito on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now, De Guzman
Has a chance to extend that lead. And Bayani almost thinking of a 3-pointer. And Garnase hands it to De Guzman. Back to Garnase. Open 3. No good.
Almost a 3. But no good on that attempt. And
Scrambling
Without
once again
ball.
for that loose ball.
but Bayani managed to get that ball and parang may kasabay pang ang foul coming from jersey number 30. Ayan, natawagan nga dito ng foul itong si Balaoro on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
So right there on your screens is Coach Evan, who is actually questioning that motion a while ago about the on that loose ball sequence when the Daraga National High School and the Annunciation Panthers are fighting on who will be getting that ball possession.
Now, Garnase to Lustria. Pull-up jumper. No good on that fadeaway shot.
And here comes Nachi Balaoro.
Grabe, napakabilis.
Oh, na Balaoro.
But no good on that attempt.
Yes,
Grabe na.
missing it.
Yung tension ng ating mga live viewers dito, live audiences. Now, jersey number 28, Robert Bayani to Garnase. Now,
That alley-oop play from Garnase.
grabe, libre. Let's take a look at it once again, LA.
Look at that pass.
Finds De Guzman free underneath the basket and an easy alley-oop shot. Patuloy na pong nadagdagan yung kalamangan na puntos dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, and that forces the Annunciation Panthers to call a timeout. Let's see kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin nila dito, LA.
That's a nice flashy assist from the Daraga National High School. And right there on your screens is the Annunciation Panthers. Trailing now We are back in action for the fourth quarter with many more things can happen. With the Annunciation Panthers right now trailing by 5 points.
Now, Annunciation's Panthers basketball. Destura, one-on-one with Garnase, pero a whistle coming from our officials. Natawagan nga dito ng foul itong si jersey number 27 Garnase. And the same ball possession on the side of the Annunciation Panthers now. Destura to Peter Maru with 6 minutes on the game clock.
5 on the 24 for Peter Maru. And there's a foul from Mark de Guzman. Resetting the clock to 14.
Now,
Setting up horns in display.
Destura.
3 on the 24. They have to fire it. Maru fires it from way downtown. There's a save by Balaoro to Adrian Diaz. But it goes out of bounds with the same ball possession.
Now to Balaoro. And a snatch coming from jersey number 27 Garnase. But a missed opportunity dito on the side of the Daraga National High School.
Almost going for that fast break.
Grabe, lumilipad na itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Panthers now had the wings.
Oo.
Hatid sa atin yan
Ang
ng
NCF.
NCF Wings. Grabe. Our fourth quarter is going neck to neck. Now Balaoro for his second attempt, and that's good.
Shortening the lead.
53 to 57, 4 points lead of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Aid as we are about to approach the midway of our fourth and final quarter. Now Garnase to Bayani. No good on that attempt by Bayani. Now jersey number 30 Balaoro.
Just getting a good bounce on that rim. And Destura up and under. Missing it. Nachi Balaoro with a layup from the paint or from that dunker spot. Down to just 2 points. A three-pointer. Missing it.
Grabe, feel na no, yung nung ating live audiences yung tension dito sa loob ng ating Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium kasi
They're finding the rhythm.
patuloy na nagbabawas yung ating oras dito LA, and later on we'll be determining who will claim the fourth spot sa ating play-in round. Now, a whistle coming from our officials. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul itong si jersey number 28 of the Annunciation Panthers, Maru. And turnover here on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith with 4 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. At 2 puntos lamang yung kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating defenders. So let's see kung paano nila ito ipapagpatuloy and paano rin babawi itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Syempre, the eagerness to get the fourth spot dito sa ating play-in round. No good on that first attempt by Garnase. Now Garnase for his second attempt.
Just to extend it for a 3-point lead, and they get set to go. Zooming that camera, getting a clear look on that free throw attempt. It's just a 3-point lead for the Daraga National High School. James Destura rushing into the basket. De Guzman grabs that rebound. Robert Bayani to Garnase to Bayani. Fakes Diaz in that play. Lustria has it with that hook shot.
Grabe. Now let's take a look on the side of the Panthers kung ano namang pagbawi yung gagawin nila dito. Now Maru. Screen coming from Diaz and Maru did not get that 2-pointer. Now Lustria hands it to Garnase. Now Garnase on the outside. And a steal, a snatch coming from jersey number 18, Destura.
Attacking the basket.
Pero hindi dyan pumayag si jersey number 17, Gobes, ay hindi makapasok yung kanilang puntos doon. And a good dynamics on the side of the Panthers. Now, what a shot naman coming from jersey number 21, Fajardo. Ayan, at patuloy yung sagutan dito ng puntos nitong dalawang koponan na ito. Now, let's take a look at Balaoro. Matatawagan dito. Grabe, nakita mo yung LA. After matawagan nitong si Garnase ng foul, agad siyang, alam niyo naman yung violation niya and napahag na lang siya doon kay Ref
Edmond Faraon.
Edmond.
Pinangalanan mo ng bago si si Ref Edmond. But anyways, Balaoro is back on the line for a free throw here, but missing it. Only getting that first free throw attempt. And we are 44 seconds away from that last 2 minutes of this matchup. Bayani goes inside, missing it. Fajardo tips it back into Bayani's hands. Fajardo, Lustria. And there is a foul from the Annunciation Panthers that sends Lustria on the line for free throws. And let's have a quick chit-chat in the last 2 minutes and 20 seconds of this matchup. Let's call in Rain Reyes. Rain, what is your update?
Hello again, folks. Kung makikita nga natin, talagang dikit ang laban as the Panthers aim to have this victory. They should be able to apply transition smoothly and communicate what to do in the hard court. Now, will the Panthers be able to dominate the defenders of Bait? Yan ang dapat nating abangan. Once again, Rain Reyes, the courtside reporter of the Panthers. So back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that quick update on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And grabe na yung tensyon na nararamdaman dito sa ating Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium as we are down to the last 2 minutes of our game. And on the other side naman, we have Maui to give us an update on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Maui, take it away. Alright, so babalikan natin itong si Maui, ating courtside reporter on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Ayan na nga, LA at last 2 minutes na ng ating ball game, and later on we'll be determining sino ang mag-uuwi ng 4th spot dito sa ating play-in round. And as we can see, parang nagkaroon tayo dito ng coaches challenge.
And makikita din natin dito sa bleachers yung Annunciation Panthers, the seniors division counterparts.
Ayun na nga, at the ball will remain on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And now, humingi na tayo ng update from our courtside reporter, Maui, on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Maui, take it away.
Bicolandia, the battle for fourth spot has been a long overdue, and the defenders of Fate made it possible to turn the favor on their side. With their continuous effort paying off, it is not impossible for them to clinch the victory. Yan muna para sa side ng defenders of Fate. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and LA.
Thank you so much, Maui, on that update from the side of the Daraga National High School defenders of it. And now, as we can see, Bayan is standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws after that foul kanina committed by the Panthers. And grabe na LA yung init nung ating pagtatapos ng fourth quarter, and susunod na po ang bakbakan ng Annunciation Panthers and the STI Olympians Seniors Division po yan. Ayan, that is the battle for the spot.
The number 3 spot will be battled in the matchup of the STI Olympians and the Annunciation Panthers.
Yung 5th spot pala LA, yung kahapon yun sa ACC versus the USI Falcons. And now, battle for the 4th spot ngayon in the Juniors Division. And susunod na po yung battle for the 3rd spot in the Seniors Division. Ayan, napakagandang bakbakan yung matutunghayan natin ngayong Sabado. Kaya tutok lamang po for more top-tier basketball actions dito lamang yan sa Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. And now,
for our 3rd game will be the Ateneo Golden Knights and the UNC Greyhounds, the number 4 seed versus the number 5 seed in Division 1. And for our last game, it will be the UNC Greyhounds, the number 4 seed, versus the number 7 seed, the CSPC Blue Stallions of the Seniors Division in the 4 p.m. game.
ay na at ang ating mga players are now back at the hard court para ipagpatuloy ang ating 4th and final quarter. With 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining, 5 points lead ang hawak na kalamangan ng ating Daraga National High School defenders of Fate. And both teams are now in penalty situation, kaya kailangan nila ditong mag-ingat. Now Fajardo to Bayani.
5 seconds, Bayani scoring it from the paint. They are up by 7 points, and Peter Maru will call the shot here. Maru. Oh, in the inside, there's John Rick Gobb is open for a moment, but
he missed the opportunity. Grabe, libre siya doon. And natawagan pa nga siya dito ng foul. Grabe, a very crucial error on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
John Rick Gobis will be excluded as he receives his 5th personal foul. So, 2 free throws for Lustria. And he gets that first free throw attempt.
Grabe naman talaga yung pag-zoom sa basket natin. Eli, talagang kitang-kita yung shot natin dito sa ating
medyo maliwanag kasi sa labas.
Screen.
So, yun.
Grabe, napakalinis LA. Siguro kung may mic pa yan LA dyan, talagang rinig na rinig yung pagpasok ng bola.
Galing talaga ng nasa technical na si Sir Jameson Brenya. Talaga makikita mo kasi yung ilaw kasi yung sa labas medyo kapag malayo, hindi mo masyado makikita kung pumapasok yung basket. So, para makita natin kung pumapasok, yun yung sinuzoom nila yung camera para masatisfy din na pumasok talaga yung shot doon or yung free throw.
Now, Garnase, 1-on-1, pero
there's a battle for the loose ball.
Grabe, muntik na doon makuha ni Robert Bayani yung bola, but Balaoro managed to get that ball and walang pag-alinlangan na LA. Diretso na yun sa basket. And ayun na nga, napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate headed by their head coach, Coach Arnel of the Daraga National High School. And also, let's take a look dito naman sa side ng Annunciation Panthers. We'll see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito since 36 seconds na lamang yung natitira and 7 big points yung kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating 9 big points rather ang hawak ng kalamangan dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Well, ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito LA since 9 points yung lamang and yung time nila is maiksi na lamang for that 9 points since 36 seconds na lamang yung natitira. Now, let's see. Fajardo has it to De Guzman. Now, Bayani, well guarded by Hachazo.
Well, they just have to put a stop here in the last minute or the last seconds in the fourth quarter.
Offensive rebound here. And stepping on the line. Turnover tayo dito LA on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
That last timeout by the Annunciation Panthers is now called with 62 to 69. Daraga National School still up. And fourth quarter, many things happened here in the third and the fourth quarter with a lead change right now still in favor of the Daraga National High School. Looks to snatch the fourth seed away from the Annunciation Panthers. 21.27 seconds remaining with both teams on penalty situation. No fouls to give. And we'll see up next the STI Olympians and the Annunciation Panthers. And after this game, we'll be having the highlight reel check sponsored by the Converge, FiberX, and also Biggs Diner or Biggs. 14 seconds on the 24 with 24 Dnhs to inbound. Here's Hachazo. A quick three will do here. That is good. And a 4-point play opportunity.
Let's take a look at it once again. Grabe. Kitang-kita LA, napakalinaw. A 4 points play opportunity for Hachazo.
A chance to bring down the lead of the Daraga National High School to 3 points. Parang yung laro lang kahapon ng Genesis and ACC Green Serpents. It's a match down the wire for this two great teams that is battling out for the number 4 seed. And he gets that 4-point play opportunity. 3-point lead. They have to... I think they have to foul here.
10 seconds and
there's that foul. Destura falling down into the floor with Dex Fajardo.
Ayun nga, natawagan nga dito ng foul itong si jersey number 18 of the Annunciation Panthers, sending Fajardo on the free throw line. Now let's see if Fajardo can make it.
Oh, that air ball. It's an air ball for Drex Fajardo. And a 4-point lead a 4-point lead could seal this one and could steal the number 4 seed away from the Annunciation Panthers.
Hindi rin malabo LA
na
both free throws tayo dito.
Doesn't go in. Hachazo having trouble. Maru has it. And a 3-point is needed to tie this game, and that buzzer sounds. The Daraga National High School is the new number 4 seed, and the Annunciation Panthers will be facing the ACLC Hawks in the quarterfinals.
Grabe, napakagandang laro yung natunghayan natin ngayong Saturday first game, and that's the end of the battle for the 4th spot in the juniors division.
Feels like the first game is the main event of this matchup, and both teams prove that they are actually the elite teams, but the Daraga National High School defended their fate. The defenders of fate are heading into the number 4 seed of this matchup.
And this time, let's take a look at the highlights ngayon, LA, on the second half ng bakbakan natin for the 4th spot. And we'll be right back after this highlights and the commercial break para makilala natin yung ating best player of the game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
gentlemen, and as in boxing says, number 4 seed in Division 1, we have the Daraga National High School with our best player of the game, sponsored by the Naga College Foundation. Leap into the future. We have number 28, Robert Bayani, with 24.7 rebounds, 8 assists, almost a triple-double, and 1 steal for Robert Bayani. Congratulations, Robert Bayani. Ngayon, kayo na ang number 4 seed. Ano yung nararamdaman nyo nung yung quarters na syempre lamang din yung Annunciation Panthers, it puts a pressure on your team. Ano yung ginawa niyong preparation para makabawi against the Annunciation Panthers?
Nag-training lang po kami at saka inisip po namin na para sa amin talaga to na laban na to.
And ngayon naman, ang sunod, naghihintay kayo sa sunod yung mga kalaban. It can either be pwedeng malakas sa team. Ano yung parang naisip nyo na advantage ngayon? Kayo na ang number 4 seed dito sa Bucal Season 6.
Training lang po kami lagi at saka yun lang ang aming araw-araw kami magti-training. Yun lang po.
May gusto ka bang i-shoutout dito sa mga nanonood at sumusuporta sa inyo at sa Daraga National High School?
Shoutout po sa GF ko. Shoutout ay kay mama at papa. Shoutout kay Coach Arnel. Yun lang po.
Ayan, salamat. Robert Bayani, the best player of the game of the Daraga National High School. At yun ang ating pagkatapos ng ating laro ng Daraga National High School. At susunod, kasama ko ulit si Jasper Abante para sa Bucal Season 6. Quick ending. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, from the Naga College Foundation, our sponsor, Robert Bayani, with 24.7 rebounds, 8 assists, and 1 steal. Nahuli ka doon, Jasper.
Ayun na nga. Once again, I am Jasper Abante, and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok via our Facebook Live on Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, and also to YouTube channel sa ating YouTube Live. Ayan. Once again, I am Jasper Abante, and syempre, thank you.
I am LA Lapid.
And thank you din po sa mga nakasama natin on the court side. We have Rain and Maui. Susunod na po ang bakbakan ng ating STI Olympians versus the Annunciation Panthers. In the seniors division, they will be battling for the 3rd spot dito sa ating play-in round. And tutok lamang for more top-tier basketball actions only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.